with my students should be with kindness and affection. I will treat my students equally and will not support any differentiation on grounds of religion and language. I will continue to build the capacities in teaching so that I can impart quality education to my students. I will encourage my students to ask questions and thus develop the spirit of knowledge. I will organize and conduct my life in such a way that my life should act as a message for my student. I should be clear about why I want to teach and should have a deep sense of commitment to fulfill that purpose. I have to uplift the morale and enthusiasm of students who have low esteem and confidence. I need to be flexible and approachable for the students to clarify their problems and doubts. Thank you, teachers.